In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an image black and white in Adobe Illustrator. Whether you're creating a logo, preparing artwork for print, or just want a clean monochrome look, converting an image to grayscale in Illustrator is quick and simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and place your image onto the artboard. You can do this by going to File, then Place, and selecting the image from your computer. Once your image is on the artboard, the very first thing you need to do is select the image. Simply click on it using the Selection tool, which is the black arrow tool in your toolbar. When the image is selected, you'll see a bounding box appear around it. This confirms that Illustrator recognizes the image as the active object and you're ready to make adjustments. Next, we need to make sure the image is embedded. If you've just placed the image, it may be linked rather than embedded. Look at the top control bar. If you see an Embed button, go ahead and click it. Embedding the image ensures that it becomes part of your Illustrator file, which allows you to edit its colors directly. If you don't see the Embed button, that means your image is already embedded and you can move on to the next step. Now that your image is selected and embedded, go up to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, hover over Edit Colors. A secondary menu will appear with several color adjustment options. From this list, click on Convert to Grayscale. As soon as you click it, Illustrator will automatically remove all color information from the image and convert it into a black and white grayscale version. You'll instantly see the change happen on your artboard. That's it. Your image is now black and white. If you want to fine-tune the result further, you can explore additional options under Edit Colors, such as adjusting saturation before converting, or using other color modes depending on your design needs. But for a fast and clean black and white conversion, the Convert to Grayscale option is the quickest and easiest method. And that's how you make an image black and white in Illustrator. Simple, fast, and no complicated settings required. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.